Nope, probably not. My hands are usually cold. I'm a mutant. I'm from Mars. Like Weezy.
Yeah, it sounds like that's you go.
Oh yeah. He won't even let you go down.
I just a mile and then go through. You guys didn't have to pick up a pair of goggles, did you?
No.
Nah, somebody said there was some in a pile. I don't know if they took them though. They were like over in the corner a little bit there. What? Did you talking about those? They were kind of off to the side? Yeah. Yeah. Someone was talking about people leaving ship. I don't know if they took them or not. I guess that means they did then. Yep. Sorry, man. Oh no, you don't be going down. It's back up. The guys snowboarding that one girl.
You can't get back up? Oh, it just goes right in?
Right in, too many.
Oh god, what if I just fell? Like I just sunk in.
Like sunk, oh my god.
That's horrible.
Like that one guy, you know, he brought that movie where he falls down the canyon and a boulder gets stuck in his arm, so he cuts it off.
Oh yeah. I want to see that.
I think it's already out or something.
It's with the guy from Pineapple Express, right?
Oh, yup.
I forgot his name.
No idea. Can't even remember. This is impressive.
He's definitely going down the hill when it's dark out.
Just behind the rear.
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding, oh no. I can't do it.
You trying to get up the hill?
Yeah.
How's that working for you?
It's not, I keep sinking. Like I'm already halfway up, I don't want to walk around.
You can do it, Brucey.
You can do it, Brucey. Yeah! What if you
just fall.
This is ridiculous. Alright, your turn to explore a hill. Get it. Get it, get it.
Which one should I be? I'm the one with the pavement. I really want to. I want to too. I'm going to at the end of the day.
They're frozen. It won't let me put them in.
You're so... Alright, let's think again. I think to go down this one, I could just like slide off into the pavement instead of going like straight down. Right off the boulder? No, off like over here. Oh yeah. Snow is like kind of. Yep. Like right here.
You realize you wait too much. No, bro, it's okay.
Like right here? Something. I don't know. Boop. Get it! Oh my god, don't break your face. Wrong way.
You got it in reverse.
Was that painful?
Not really.
Oh, not really.
Strong.
You went in the opposite direction. So now that I did it, I think I can manage to go down.
Oh, shit! Get it!
That's just right there. I'm going to run into it again.
What if you knocked it, like broke it up in pieces?
Down.
Like went right through the boulder. Maybe you just like. No, that's okay. That was awesome!
Pretty good.
Did that hurt?
Not really.
Alright, I'm ready to do it then.
After a band.
Oh, shoot. That was funny. Hey, they're doing donuts!
Freshly fallen snow right after Holiday concert. So we're on.
Get it?
He's doing that. I'm throwing in my car in reverse. And around, I got like less than a foot.
Get it?
Less than a foot away from the
Hurry up, you fucking donut.
That's good.
Donut. Get it? Woo! Like, go! Floor it! Pussy! Just kidding. You're supposed to go around and pull! Get it?
What is he doing?
Come on! Floor it!
Yeah. There you go.
Woo! You suck.
Okay, you gonna go down?
Yep.
Oh.
Is he by himself?
I don't know.
That's stupid as hell. You don't do that on by yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Lord. All this guy's gonna come get me.
He just plows you. Oh, that'd be horrible.
Is he really? Are we like, will we be in trouble?
No, we're fine to be here.
Oh. Cause I got kicked out of Country Market one time.
He was parking it.
Snow pile. Alright. No!
Oh!
I didn't want to go that way.
Oh, God. Did that hurt?
No. I plowed through that sucker like nothing. I want to go on that side too.
I know. I'm sure you can if you start right here. Get out the way. Get out the way. He definitely.
My butt so bad.
Oh, there goes the slide. I love it when I just go skiing all the time. Wow.
You okay?
Seriously.
Oh.
Did you hit your tailbone or your butt?
Yeah, like my tailbone.
That sucks.
And
What one did I even hit?
That one right there.
That big.
oh, just
Stop.
I sit there waiting for her and watching people wipe out on like the big ones. And the best part of watching people wipe out is their skis keep going. They eventually stop. Their skis keep sliding down. They're spending like 5 minutes walking around all the way across the place of the mountain, going to fetch their skis. And
Any
down and also cut it
Huh?
ideas?
I want to go down this one.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh no, I was talking about your sled.
Now my hands are cold.
Oh, they're sledding on that one we did. Yeah, like right where he's going down.
Okay.
Sorry, I got it in your grill. Later, dudes!
We're coming back.
Oh.
Check out the cave.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This looks amazing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. Right here? Well, I was like more going towards this way. Let's just see where it takes us.
Brevity. Oh my god.
Fucking sled.
You need to get it! Get it! It's so dark, I can't see you. Lighten up. Oh my god! That was awesome!
That was way better.
That was awesome. Awesome possum. Get it! Power through.
Awesome.
Adrenaline! Endorphin! Tryptophan! Just get him to make you sweat. Oh, that pole's removable? Look at that pole. You fell into that pole.
That bitch.
That bitch pole. Yeah, good idea. The king of the world.
Yeah, there's definitely more. There's definitely more. Fine. It's super dark.
Kinda nervous.
Just go for it.
No! Seriously, really fun.
I know.
Why are you so scared, man, when I hit that?
I know. I thought it was gonna fly off.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
What does that come on?
What?
What does that come on? That was awesome, or something.
I have no idea.
It sounds familiar.
Power through.
Power legs.
Power through. Testosterone.
Estrogen.
Estrogen.
What is it? Androgen?
Tryptophan. Acetyl acid. I don't even
Who's the other things? I don't know.
Oh my.
My toes are frozen.
My legs are so tired. Power down. Tryptophan.
There's like a whole bunch of hills we could sled on.
The world is a hill.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. You want to go down?
I have a feeling it's this way.
Excuse me. Oh shit! What if he lost his son? so dark. Okay. Can't see you very good. You can do it! Cool?
Yeah.
Yeah! It's so dark. Okay. Man, it's getting dark. I can't see anymore.
Well, that was
Where'd donuts go? Where'd that donut guy go?
It's not hard to find some ice.
Sorry. No, it's alright. It's cool, it's cool. Break yourself, fool. What is he doing?
Is that the donut guy?
I don't
No,
know.
this way.
I think it's the goggle guy.
Oh.
Look for his goggles.
Still. He's not gonna find him.
Right, like the headlights can't go over the hill. Grab
Wrong way.
My nose is running.
It's alright, just eat him.
Eat him?
Yeah. No. My brother used to do that. Like they used to drip, he just lick them off. I know. Whew. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, because my fingers are cold.
Hey, can you throw that sled down here?
This sled?
Yeah.